Hey guys. Well, I just look totally sexy, don't I? Hold on. That's not better. Still not better. Almost there. Okay, I guess I can't get any farther because I don't have my makeup or hair straightener here. I'm at my dad's house. And that means going natural. I hate my life. Anyways, I'm bored. So I did my hair today. Put the blonde in it. My dad was just looking at me like I'm crazy. I am. It's empty. Can't do it. Stuffing my face like normal. Hey there.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why I got out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it'll all be great. Put your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad.